Hey everyone, welcome back to Pably. And in this video, you are going to learn how you can connect a form with your Discord server and automate your lead collection process. Okay, so this automation that we are about to set up is going to save a lot of your time and manual efforts, and it will streamline your lead collection process. Let me show you how. So guys, here you just have to create a form. So you can use any form building application. We are using Cognito Forms here. You can use Google Forms or JotForm as well, or any other form building application. And you can embed this form or share this form with your audience. And if any interested person is going to fill the form and submit the form, the data of the same person is going to be delivered as a message to your team automatically, so that they can nurture that lead and convert that lead. Okay, so here you need not to manually sort out the details of your leads and send the data of those leads one by one on Discord. This is going to happen automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pably Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, you can set up this automation in very few steps very easily without any programming knowledge or coding skills. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pably Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pably Connect. So for this, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description, from where you can set up your free Pably Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pably Connect like this. And here you have to create a workflow of automation. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name as Cognito Forms to Discord automation. Okay. Right, after giving the name, you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created like this. And here on this page, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. So this, our automation works on these two things. Okay. Here you can see the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger the workflow. Okay. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new form submission received from the Cognito Forms. And the action is the response towards the trigger. So here the action would be to send the data of the form submission on Discord to the team automatically. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application first, which is a Cognito Forms in our case. So search for Cognito Forms, select the application, and in the trigger event, select new entry option. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from an external application to here in Pably Connect. Okay, so you can follow the instructions written here to make this connection. Let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, copy this webhook URL from here and go back to Cognito Forms. Okay, and here inside you will find this website builder. Click on build option. Okay, and inside the form builder, actually you will find this submission settings in this bottom bar. Click on submission settings. Okay, and under the submission settings on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you can see this post JSON data to a website option. So you have to toggle this button to on, then click on this option, and here you will find this submit entry endpoint field. So in this field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from your workflow. Paste it here in this entry endpoint field like this. All right. Now you have to save this form. Click on save, and you can see the form is saved here. Now let me publish this form. All right. So this form is published, right? And here you can see, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission or test record. This means now you have to fill the form on the behalf of any demo lead or demo customer. Okay, and we are going to capture the lead, the response here in this workflow. So here I have created this form. Let me open this form here and let me fill this form on the behalf of any demo lead. Okay, So it's a kind of new integration request form. You can customize this form according to yourself. Okay, so here I'm putting the name here as, let's say, Chris Hemsworth, and the email ID of this person is this, and the phone number, and the application name, let's say it's Telegram, and the URL is www.telegram.com. All right, now I'm going to submit this form, and you can see the form is getting submitted here. All right, so the form is submitted. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the date of this form, and here you can see in this response received section we got the date of the form like this. Here you can see the name of the form, the person who have filled this form, and his details are here like this. Okay, now I want to add this person, I want to send this person's details to my team present on Discord channel. Here is Discord, and here is a text channel named as general I have created. Okay, and here my team is present. So to send the message here automatically, you need to connect Discord here in the sections tab. So from the sections tab, search for Discord. All right, select it. And in the action event, select send channel message option with this HTML option. Okay, then click on connect. All right, so now it is asking for the webhook URL to make this connection. So you can just click on this link to know the steps to get the webhook URL from your Discord server. Let me show you how you can do that. So this is my text channel, and here I'm going to click on edit channel, and under this editor you will find this integrations tab. Click on it, and here you will find this webhooks tab. Click on create webhook, and here you can create a new webhook like this. Okay, so here you can see we have already have a webhook. Here you can create a new one by clicking on new webhook option, and now you have to give a name to this bot. Okay, so let the name be a leads bot. Okay, right, now you after giving the name, click on save changes. All right, and then click on copy webhook URL like this, and now come back to your workflow and paste the URL in this webhook URL field like this, and here you have to type a message that you want to send to your team. So I am going to type a standard message. So guys, I have wrote this message. You can see, hello team, we have got a new lead from Cognito form, and name, email, and the contact of the leads are these. So here I'm going to map the data which I have received from the form in the very first step. Okay, so here I'm going to map the labels here for this demo data. So just click here in front of name, and you will find this Cognito forms in the drop down. So this was our first step, and when you click on it, you will see all the data that you have received from the first step. So from here I'm going to map the name like this. For the email, use the same process and map the email as well. And for the contact number, use the same process and map the contact number like this. Okay, and here you can provide a bot's name, so I am giving it as leads bot. All right, and if you want to provide an icon, a unique icon for this bot who is going to deliver your message, you can give a URL here of JPG, GIF, or PNG format. And if you want to if you want your bot to read the message aloud for your team, you can make this text to speech thing enable. Right now I'm disabling it. I do not want it to speak. Okay, now you can check your connection with Discord by clicking on save and send test request, and you will receive a new message here in this general text channel. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and we have got a new message here, which is this, and leads bot has given us this message, and it is saying, hello team, we have got a new lead from Cognito forms, and these are the details. Okay, so this is the same message we got, we have typed and mapped here. Okay, and our connection for Discord is working really fine. Now we are done setting up this automation. Here you just have to set up this automation once like this. connect Cognito Forms in the trigger, make this connection with the help of this URL, and fetch the demo details of a lead. After that, connect Discord in this action step, and with the help of this URL, make the connection and type a message, standard message, and map the data here like this. So we have mapped the data of the lead because this data is going to change with every new message, with every new form submission. So you need to map this data here. And after that, after setting up this whole automation, you need not to do anything manually. After that it is going to run automatically. Let me show you how. Let me open my form again. Okay, and here let me fill the form again with different details. Okay, so this is the person who is filling the form now, and these are the integrations he needed. Alright, so now I'm going to submit this form, and you can see the form is submitted. Now let me show you directly in Discord server if we got a new message, and the message is here, you can see, and now the message is this, and now you can see in the place of name, the name is changed, the email is changed, and the contact number is changed. So this is how it is going to work in real time. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start running this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.